Hi, second graders. Welcome to art. You're going to need a piece of paper and something to color with, okay? So again, get your piece of paper and it doesn't matter which way you put it. I'm gonna put my paper like this. And then I'm gonna grab one color that I wanna start with, my main color, which I'm gonna use a blue. And what I'm gonna do is in the very center of my paper, I'm gonna draw a circle, just like this. So I want you to make sure that you have a piece of paper, you have something to color with, and that you make a circle in the middle of your paper. Okay? So get this done. Okay, and you can move on. Now you're gonna make a line, 4 lines. Let me show you my 4 lines. Ready? Okay, 1 second and I'll show you my 4 lines. Okay, here are my 4 lines. You look how they're not really touching the center, but they're just there. So go ahead and draw your 4 lines. 2 on the top, 2 on the side. Good. By the way, I forgot to tell you what it is that we're making. We're going to be making a snowflake. So this is our version of our snowflake, okay? There's going to be some things that you do on your own that you get to choose what it looks like, and some things that we do together, okay? So I've got my 4 lines. Now, I'm going to do one more line, but I'm going to use a different color this time. I'm going to use green. So I'm going to do a line in between all of these. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay. See how I made a green line in between all of my blue lines? Go ahead and make a line in between all of yours. So it looks something like this. Okay. Now, my friends, you are going to start making it look like a snowflake. So I'm going to grab another color even, and I'm going to start making like little V's. And I'll show you what I mean by a V. So do you see how I'm like making a V on this stick? That's what I'm doing. I'm just making 3 V's on this stick, 3 V's on this stick, and I'm going to do that with all the green ones. I'm going to make some V's. Okay, so I'm making all my V's. There we go, just like that. Okay, so stop the video and make it look something like this. All right. Okay, hopefully you have followed along so far. Okay, and now on the end of your main, the one that you started with, you're going to want to make a V at the end. Let me show you what I mean. So see how I made it at the very end, the tippy top? I made a V. Make sure that you have a V on all those at the very top. Okay. All right, now you're going to make, you can grab another color or you can use the same color you were using. And I'm going to make even bigger V's this time. Okay, so I'll show you what it looks like once I've done mine. Okay, this is what mine looks like now that I have all of my V's. And you've made a kind of snowflake of some sort. Very cool. And then now, this is going to be more of your creative piece. After you make your snowflake, you're going to get to decorate it however you want on the outside. So I'm going to show you how I decorate mine, and then you can come up with your own way. This is how I ended up decorating the outside of my snowflake. You guys can make your own design on the outside. I even like connected all these like V's together to make a little like star on the outside of my snowflake, but it's up to you how you want to decorate your snowflake. So go ahead and make your own snowflake and then go ahead and take a picture of it on Seesaw. This is your art project for this week since it's the start of December and it's starting to get colder and more snowy. And so I thought it'd be fun if we made and designed our own snowflakes. Have fun!